Okay, good morning, YouTube. Just give me 1 second. Going live on Facebook right now. Hopefully this works. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. That's why there haven't been many videos uploaded to YouTube recently. Um, I don't like what that F cell is doing. Like they're gonna pull the rug out from under it. All right, got that. Facebook, publish. SYMC, yeah. That was the only one that kind of stuck out to me. Okay, go Facebook. All right, and let me just see if we're live on Facebook. And we are. Good morning, everybody on Facebook. Let me just send a quick link out. Facebook. Walls from the street. Walls from the street. Okay, good morning, everybody. Happy early 4th of July. Uh, so, as you may or may not know, this week we've been having a special, and that special is essentially, um,
15 minutes to the bell, so we're going to go ahead and start breaking down the watch list here for this morning.
that's not me, but I do watch him, if you guys know who that is. Not in the morning, not like he just happened to pop up when I put my Facebook on, but when I went to facebook.com. Okay, there we go. That's better. Yeah, that's the better guy. This guy. So, as you know, we or don't know, we are giving away free packages to any veteran or active service for free. Just contact me, have proof of your credentials, whatever, your driver's license, your license, whatever, and I'll get you in. And we're also having a, let's see, a 4th of July sale. You can get 1 year for $20. That's normally around $50 to $100. Or you can get a lifetime for $50. That's normally about $100 to $150. And I don't think prices will go this low again. So today and tomorrow are the last day, and just making you aware of that. And okay, so let's start do some scanning. It's 9:17. Um, this F cell is just, I don't know, a little all over the place. I like it because it's within my 90-cent range. You know, I usually like to buy stocks between 90 cents and $12 if I am gonna buy this cheap. But let's put that to the side for a second. We are going to be doing the Tradenet challenge together as well. And there we go. Huh. I wonder why. Oh, I know why my video is not up. All right, boom. So now my camera is up. And how's the market doing today? The market seems to be, it looks like it popped up a little, and now it's coming down a little. Um, I'm not liking this F cell at all. And let's go ahead and let's go Benzinga because I already took a look at trade ideas. And did I X out of trade ideas? Oh no, it's right here. And on the up gappers list, you got OMN, which is reverse splits. OSS. I'll add it to the watch list. Oh yeah, I do want to watch Tesla today. Tesla had, I guess, good earnings or something, or the record deliveries in Q2. Okay. XSPA. I do like this one because it did go to 233. This could break over the pre-market highs and soar. So I'm going to add that one, XSPA rather. Yeah, I really do like this one. I like its formation a lot. Especially if I look at it from this chart now that it's starting to head above the VWAP. Um, okay. Uh, SYMC, yeah, Brian, right? I think I'm on the same page with you. I like this one a lot, and this looks like this is definitely around the pivot point or something. So I'm gonna add that to the watch list. SYMC. Let's go 1 minute. Picking up a lot of volume too, right about now, right before the open. That's a very, very good sign that this is going to take off out the gate. And that's everything up above 15%. Ears, I'm not even going to touch. I'll throw ears on just in case, but this is one of those stocks that are constantly on here. Let's see. I keep going back to Facebook and I don't know. Don't know if it's coming out correctly. But all right, so cool. So let's check out. Now it's 9:20. Let's go ahead and let's go to the Nasdaq's most advanced and see if anything we've picked so far is on the most advanced. And of course, SYMC. That's the top one on the most advanced. That volume is ridiculous. I'd be crazy not to trade this at this level. And Tesla is a little woozy bougie. It can be all over the place. OGI is. We'll take a look at the pivot points. Red Hill, Red Hill. All right, it's all a matter of time right now. So I do have two separate demos. This is a I mean, not demos. I have one demo, and this is a $10,000 account demo. Let me see. Yeah, 10,024. I did hold something overnight, but I think that sometimes they don't notice. So we'll find out. Um, we'll find out. Either that or I screwed up the challenge. But you know, I did not mean to hold it overnight. And then we have Position. This is my actual account where I also held something overnight. Same stock. Did not mean to hold it overnight, but I did. And I don't know why everything is so far away. But anyway, all right. So we got these two accounts. I already know I'm trading SYMC. So let me pop back to that real quick. I have a lot of stuff open. I am live, right, on Facebook? Facebook.com. It says I'm live, but I don't see anything. Yeah, I guess. Facebook.com. All right, let me get out of that. All right, let's go to charts here. F sell, the pivot point is 87 cents, but this could go up to $1.56. That's why I kind of like it. And then let's check SYMC. Um, 25.30. So this is going to drop down from 25.30 down to 24.73. 24.73. That's my entry price. And I think this is also my pick of the day. So I'm sending out the entry points and exit points. Obviously, I'm going to use the buffer. I'm going to go a little higher. Yeah, you'll see. I'll send it to you right now. Stop loss. It's a wide gap, the stop loss and the thing, because you can always add more. Make sure you give yourself, I'll put it in the notes, give yourself the ability to add more if it does go down. All right. I sent that out. How come that didn't send though? Hmm. Okay. And I wanted to look at that other one as well. Let me add that in real quick. Oh, nice. So it will open at 0. So I need to sell that immediately at the open. And I'm gonna have to sell all this stuff at the open. Oh no, I have room. Have room. SYMC. 400 shares. Limit. So I'm gonna do it two ways, guys, just in case it rallies right out the gate. So SYMC, I would think it's probably gonna pull out down to this level here, to this 24. It just did it in the pre-market, 24.80, and then what the heck, 24, 24.80. Okay, buy, and then let's say I miss that price, and it just rallies out the gate, which is what it looks like it's gonna do. I'll just put a $26 buy. So either way, one of those are gonna get filled. Oh, I'm in the wrong stock. SYMC. Yeah, okay. It looks like it's just gonna rally at the gate. So, market stop 26.01 buy, and then in case it pulls back, put in a limit order of 20. What was that price I had that as? Stop 26.01 buy, limit 24.80. Oh boy. There we go. Got that order in. And I didn't get to look at that next one. I don't think I will get the chance. Getting rid of those TVIX shares right now, market sell. I just want to get rid of those. Okay. We'll worry about this in a second. Woo! Got out right in time on that one. Got out on that F sell at 85 cents. All right, now I can concentrate. Tesla, yeah, I'm not gonna touch that. I'm not gonna touch the Tesla. And I'm just watching charts right now. Roku's gonna have another fire day, I think. I think the whole market's gonna have another fire day. We'll see. We shall see. Oh, thank goodness I got out of F-Cell. Knew that thing was gonna do that. But can I short F-Cell over here? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Thought I position. I have to position. Facebook looking good. Well, let me let that go for a minute. All right, sell it. Market sell it. All right, as the market rallies. And, all right, right now I'm not in anything. I don't know what happened with SYMC, but it didn't do anything. I got the hell out of a. Oh, Roku's taking a dump right now. A big one. Let's see if Roku breaks. Ugh, can I catch it? I missed it. Market, market, market. Um, Stop price on Roku 92.99. Market buy. Ooh, I bought that a little expensive, but it looked like it was about to rally there. Come on, come on. Ooh, TVIX is taking off. The market must be dumping. Okay. Position on Roku. Oh my God, look at that. Sell. Okay. TVIX. Yep, I'm getting in TVIX. 1,000. Oh my God, that thing is dumping. Yeah, go up a little bit, go up a little bit. Buy. Okay, and same thing here. I can get 500 shares. Market buy. Okay, good, good, good. Doing a lot at once right now. Taking care of 3 accounts. F-Cell is popping back. Could always get back in. Can always get back in. Whew. Oh no. The market's rallying. What's going on here? Okay. Okay. Now it's pulling down. Market's trying to figure out what the heck it wants to do right now. I need to see the market chart, otherwise I'll be lost. Okay, so looks like the QQQ shot up, shot up. VIX is up. The tick is going down. Yeah, the tick is really, really high. I'll check the put call ratio in a second. What are you guys trading? Hit me in the chat room. On the Webinato chat room. I want to know what you guys are in. Yes, I did take my penicillin this morning. Guys, take a look at Facebook real quick. And F-Cell hit $1. It hit $1, guys. Bounced off. F-Cell hit $1. I like it over $1 a lot. I just don't know how high it will go. Let's do it on the demo account. Oh, market's rallying right now. It's time to... It's not really doing anything. I'm not making any decisions right now. Roku. F-Cell hit the $1. Oof. Right back down to 93. You would have had to have your sell order at the $1. Or just keep holding. Or you got to be taking profit the whole way on this. So here's the first pullback, right? This is the first pullback. So it hits the $1. This is the first pullback. You would have wanted to enter right there, right on top of the 9-day moving average. When you're day trading, the 9-day moving average is the most important moving average. So it's either going to, you can see it pulled back here, hit $1. It's pulling back again, and it's either going to break that $1 or it's not. And 99, it hit $1, but it did not break it. All right, but it's looking bullish. I gotta say, it's looking bullish. Oh, Tesla's dumping. XSpot is dumping. Facebook is dumping. I'm assuming the market is dumping because everything is dumping. Markets are dumping. All right, here you go. Second test at the $1 coming right now. It's got the market behind it. The market just surged and then pulled back. Let me check the chats real quick. Oh, by the way, if you want to get one of these like sub-funded platforms, Tradenet, there is a link in my description on Facebook and on YouTube for the challenge. And typically we do the challenge together every day. We're gonna do it every day this week, and then we'll probably start it again in another couple months. So if you're interested in doing the challenge, that way you'll still have time to do it with us. Now's a good time to start. Today is just sloppy. There just doesn't seem to be anything working, anything going through. Okay, we're 12 minutes in. Market, yeah, this F cell looks like it's gonna break it again. hit the dollar again. I'm interested, honestly, How much higher than a dollar is it going to go? We all know it's a pump and dump, right? So I don't want to play it. It's like playing with fire. What I will do, and what I like, what I see is, and I think this will be the overall the overall generalized. Let's go 9, 182, 1. Oh yeah, markets are rallying right now, so I want to catch this. Ugh, too slow. All right, I got that for 185. Charts. No, this is my trade. Um, okay. I'm going in on some options here. Right now, I'm up a little on Roku and kind of hoping the market continues its trend. Well, actually, this is quite interesting because market UVXY, the VIX, TVIX, all going up, but the market is actually going up. It's as if they're expecting like a massive pullback. S&P hits record high. Okay, so why would that would, to me, S&P hitting a record high, I would think, okay, boom, we keep going. You know, I'm confused. I gotta take this in. Keep in mind, I'm also sick right now, so I'm working on like sick brain. Um, Trying to figure out what to do here. All right, so this account, boom, is solid. This account for now. This account down a little, but that's okay. This account is down from mostly from FCell, but I could have got hurt a lot worse on FCell. Um, what did I get it at? 89. I thought I got out at 85 because I said if this thing goes below 87, I'm out. Roku's dumping. I'm very like conflicted right now. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm just gonna go with the flow. let's see. So this would be your account if you had a demo, like whatever account. And it looks like I am long TVIX. And I don't understand why it is so far. Jeez, that's annoying. Is there like... Okay. Alright, so... Alright, TVIX is pulling back. Good morning. Does Trade Ideas use the same pivot points as stock charts? I doubt it, but let's see. Up to, down one. Yeah, it goes by base percentage. So no. But what do you mean, Harmon? Oh, sorry. Was the question Trade Ideas? I'm sorry. Um, it's the same as. Well, yeah, because Well, here's the point. Let me explain it the best I can. Um, uh, stockcharts.com. I don't know what algorithm they use. Um, it's got to, and it's not a percentage algorithm. So, or if it is, it's not a moving percentage. So the point I'm trying to make is we could technically go to stockcharts.com and find out what their algorithm is, but we would have to know exactly when they started those pivots. Once we got them, so if there's ever a day where we're like, yo, they changed the pivots on XYZ stock on stock charts, I'd be able to find out the algorithm. And then once I find out the algorithm, then yeah, I could punch that into anything. I could punch that into stock charts because as you saw on Trade Ideas, it gives you the ability to punch in what percentage you want your pivot points to be at. So yeah, technically, I just would have to find out the actual what they use on their pivot points over there. Um, you can't pre-market trade on the challenge. No, I did. It did. I got it. You were able to pre-market trade on on the challenge? Oh yeah, I forgot. I still have two orders for SYMC, right? Don't I? I thought I did. Right now I'm just UVX wine it up. Come on, let's make some money today. I want to make some real money. I want to make some good money today. You know, pay for the steaks, 4th of July, the champagne. Don't tell me I'm looking at that. This is the demo. I keep getting this confused with. Where's the real account? The real account. Real account. Okay, here's the real account. And I didn't get filled on either of my SYMCs. So it must be in the middle of, it must be pretty flat right now. Yeah. So it did bust down all the way to 24. Oh, it did that before 9:30. Yes, like I said, it had to have been flat because I have an order in case it shoots up, and I have an order in case it shoots down. I'm taking it either way, long, both ways, because it's got a pivot point right here. Let me see. I'm just reading the questions. Does trade ideas use the same? I read that one. Very nice, Leon. Leon, are you lifetime? Uh, yes. Simple, Harmon. Just buy it. I'm just kidding. I know you tried to buy it and they wouldn't let you. Cause it's not that it wouldn't let you. It was like the overseas thing got annoying. All right, let's check it out. So you want to see if we could figure out what pivot point movement they use. Channel bar. AI. All right, let's see. What was the green? I'm colorblind. Like this stuff does not help me. Which one was green? USO? Yeah, market's looking bullish. All right, configure. Let's see. Configure. Um. It doesn't let you see what. No, it doesn't let you see. Um. But it might just be a percentage point. If you can see the S1 or S2 numbers from trade ideas. Oh, I see what you mean. I don't know if you can actually put the pivot points on a chart. Let me. I'll try. Um. Yeah, I'm sure you could put the pivot points on a chart. Um. Time frame. Duplicate, create price alert, trade indicators. Here we go. Hold on. Indicators, average volume, EMA, RSI, VWAP. Modify indicator parameter. Yeah, it doesn't look like you can do it. I'm sure there's a way. I wish I knew where David was, because David was like a genius with this. What happens if FCell was not able to break the dollar, but I bet you it does at some point. Let's see what's trending on social media right now. Yuma. Yuma. Everybody seems to like Yuma. UNSA. USNA. Why do people like Yuma? Unusual social activity. SXTC and SLS. That's what, didn't somebody just tell me they traded SLS and made some money? Let's check it out. SXTC. Wow, Roku's really taking a hit. And this is really rallying. This looks good over 5. I'm going to have to add this to the text alert group. Give me 2 seconds. SXTC. SXTC. Over $5. SXTC. SXTC. Come on, man. Oh my god, I'm getting so annoyed here. Buy it at 506. Because this thing might hit 505, come down. Alright, I'm sending out. Where did we get that one from? Trade Ideas. I'm sending that out. Like I had to rush, so my target is a little rich. I want 585. But again, I'm gonna go here, here. SXTC. I'm gonna put it in order for this if I can. Can I even buy this? Sector's not tradable, so I'd have to buy it on my regular account, which I'm not doing that with this. Roku is bouncing. You're having a bottom bounce on Roku. What's important is this level here that Roku hit. That's the pivot point. This is the most active stock on the NASDAQ, but it's flat. It's crazy. What was the other one? Most active on the New York Stock Exchange is NEO. My God, look at NEO. Ooh, I can actually buy NEO. All right. So then I'm buying NEO. 315, 316. Biggest gainers, OMN. Yeah, but that's a second biggest gainers, NEO. Very active is Amarin, Tesla, TVIX, OSS, MU. Biggest gainers, OSS, SYNC, SXTC, AQMS, TSLA. Double. Look at that double bottom and that reversal. That shot to the upside. I love it at 240. Love it at 240. Tesla over 240. I love it, love it, love it. Stop order 240 and 5 cents. Can I get that many? Yes. I love Tesla over 240 right now. I'm just gonna let Neo kind of run. Well, I'll put a stop loss on it. Let's see. 3076. 06. There we go. Neo's taking off. Let your winners run, cut your losers quick. I'm just gonna let it run right now. Kind of forget about it. Market's pulling back a little bit. TVIX just came into positive territory. I'm gonna go ahead and I think SXTC is gonna break $5. Neo's taking off. Nice, very nice. All right, I'm gonna take a partial here. Sell 2/3 of my shares, 400 shares. Market. Sell. Okay. Gonna do something a little unorthodox here. I'm gonna go ahead and I think Tesla's gonna continue its run to the upside. Ooh, look at this this Neo go. I should have got it for the other account too. Hmm. Might be too late for this one. All right, here's what I wanted to do that I said was a little risky. Oops, see, I knew that was gonna happen. It was overextended by a lot. All right, I'm out. I made $41 on that, real quick, doing nothing. I'm not worried about this one. I'll just put a stop at 319. 319. 200 shares, 319. Sell. Let the stop. Oh, look at that. And there goes. Should have shorted it. All right. All right. I wanted. Tesla was right at 239. Um. I missed it. All right. So Tesla, TSLA. Well, if Neo's gonna pull back like that, I'm gonna short it because it's up for no reason, right, guys? There's nothing going on with Neo. Let me just double check. Or no, actually, it was on the most advanced list, wasn't it? Pretty sure it was on the most advanced list. Yeah, I'm gonna short Neo. Where's that most advanced list? I know it wasn't here. I don't know why I thought it was. Made it up in my mind. So this is up for no reason. This is gonna come right back down. I'm gonna go over to that other account. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. This is the challenge account. So I still didn't get stopped out on this one. Neo position, market. Oh, I gotta watch my tickets. Sell, and then, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and 300 market short. Beautiful. Put the stop in at looks like the market's coming down. Good. Um, Stop price would be over the highs, which was 329. So we'll put 330. Stop position. Sell. I mean, buy the cover. All right, so I got my stop, so I don't even have to look at this for a while. This is gonna make money on its own. Nice, up $71 here. Beautiful, beautiful. This is going slow and steady, but I'm all over the place. Yeah. So just to re-clarify, if you are a veteran, you get in our group for free. That's all three groups. That's the Breakout Trade. Well, all two groups really, but they're all the same, right? In a way, different elects of the same thing. You know, like how they got the Nasdaq, the New York Stock Exchange, and you know, American Stock Exchange, Amex. Anyway, so yeah, you get in everything for free for life this 4th of July if you are a veteran. Just got to send me a message from your Facebook account that says, hey, I'm so and so. Yeah, you can even tell me like your division and where you were, all that stuff. That's something I like to know in case someone else in the group who was, I don't know. Anyway, so just send me a message on Facebook, and I'll put you in, and that's no problem. And we should do it. We should do it like that all the time, really, because it doesn't feel right for me to charge a service to anyone in our military to charge for a service. You know what I'm saying? So, okay. And if you're not in the military, you can sign up. We have the biggest discount I think we've ever had. You can get a lifetime account, which comes with case management and mentorship. I don't think you realize how huge that is. That means case management and mentorship. That is, we'll have an initial one-on-one. You're gonna go through it. It's what do they call those? Like a little. It's not a survey, but a screening process. We're gonna determine, certain things, if there's any gambling habits or what kind of trading would be better for you. We determine if this is safe. We determine a safe amount to trade. We determine what you should trade. I give you some tips, a book to read, a few videos to watch. It all depends. Each case is treated individually. So if you sign up, you get case management, and that's after I'm done trading every day. That's what I do most of the day is case management and just talk to my people, and it's something I love doing anyway. And this is something people have paid as much as $500 for to as little as $50 for. It will probably never be this price again. Like I said, we're just trying to get some meat in the seats right now, and that's it. That's basically it. So, also, if you are a member of Breakout Trading and you refer somebody, make sure they put your name in the PayPal notes, or they send me a just a message that so and so referred you, and you get 25% commission fee. And but yeah, so building relationships and networking and getting out there is, what we're all about, what we want to do. And today is a little sloppy and all over the place, but it's really not. Once you've been with me for a while, you understand exactly what's going on. You know that I'm holding on to UVXY options right now, even though the market looks like it's going up. And we're looking for stocks to trade. We found Neo. Turned out to be a great one. Now we're shorting Neo because there's no reason Neo should even be going up. So it's obviously going to dump. So we're obviously going to short it. So we made money on Neo, made money on Roku. The Roku is a common name that we trade. TVIX, another common name that we trade. And look at that. Look at that beautiful board. Not a single red trade. Um, and I'm a believer in letting my winners run and cutting my losers quick. Unfortunately, that didn't work for me this morning when it came to FCell. But then again, it did because FCell never broke a dollar. So I still wouldn't have sold it at a dollar. I was waiting for it to break a dollar. So, but everything looks good here. Um, and also, if you look within, there is a link to take the challenge. Like this is the challenge. It's a $10,000 account, and they give you 5 days to make $500. And usually we take it together as a group, and ultimately we win about 40% of the time, and which is a lot because the challenge is made specifically for people who are basically experts at this, because they're giving you a 14,000 sub-funded account without any insurance, without an installment. Usually for that for them to give you $14,000 to trade, you have to give them $500, and that $500 is their insurance. If ever you bring your account down $500, well, it's actually $700, but for purpose of this example, to keep it easier, if ever you bring down that account $500, that's their insurance. They get to keep the money. On the flip side, if you start making money, if you bring the account up to $20,000 and you say, you know what, I want to take out like $4,000, they'll say, okay, no problem, and they'll give you $3,000 because they take 25% of what you earn, because you are using their money. And what makes it good, what makes it cool, what makes it interesting is the fact that you can always upgrade your account. You can start with a $14,000 account that you got for free, right? You know, we'll walk you through the challenge. Today happens to be a slow day. It's okay. It's before a holiday. Some people are taking off already. But that's why I'm expecting to see the market pull down soon. But anyway, um, you start with a $14,000 account that you got for free. Make a few $1,000s in it, right? Then you could tell them, hey, I want to upgrade. They're constantly having specials to upgrade. So if you want to upgrade from a $14,000 account up into the next account, you could you get an $80,000 balance. I mean, just think about that. An $80,000 balance. And 80,000. If you make 1% of $80,000, That's $800. So now you got 80 grand, and it's very easy to make money. So now all you got to do is make another 2 grand, maybe 1,500. Depends on your specials. Depends on who you know over there. Depends on who your case manager is over there. Because not only will you have a case manager and a mentor, because they will mentor you over there. If you ever buy a student package, which is the $3,000 package, that's the $80,000 package that you could pay for. But you could also win it or get it through, trading or whatever. You get mentorship there as well. So now you got an $80,000 account. Let's say you make 2.5% in one day. You could say, you know what? Upgrade me to the next one, and the next one is $160,000. And then you can say, you know what? Make another 2 grand, upgrade me to the next one. And now it's not even 1 grand. Now you got a $250,000 account. If you can make 1% a day in a $250,000 account, you're making $240,000 a day. I mean, I'm sorry, you're making $2,400 a day. So, just click the link. It's right there. It's on the um, let me just pull up the link. Should be here. Yeah, here it is. So if you click the link in the thing, you get 10% off everything. $3.99. And you know, um, what did we say? Oh yeah, because it's 4th of July. Tell them you're a veteran if you are a veteran, and you can get the prices reduced even sooner. But yeah, here's a quick description and You can see the intro program comes with self-study course, and it's all really cool stuff. I can show you mine. And then the student account, self-study course, live trading, chat room, trading book, demo. And then you get 1 month of mentorship in the Star Trader course, which is really good. I have that as well. And then expert program, which is what I'm going to update to next, but was actually encouraged not to upgrade to the expert program because I said a lot, they didn't think people would sign up because it was too much money, and I'm like, well, what the hell, man. Anyway, long story short, this is 160,000 funded. This one is 80,000 funded. They take 75% of the profits. The first one, which is the one we're going to help you win for free by taking the challenge. So you get 14,000 funded trading account. They take 70%. And then it goes 80,000. Oh, I'm sorry. They don't take 70%. You keep 70%. They take 30. Okay, and then they got 80. You keep 75. Then they got 160,000. You keep 80. Then they got 240,000. You keep 85. And a little secret for you, and you didn't hear it from me. They actually have a 400,000 where you keep 90%. That they don't show. But it's an awesome, awesome, awesome program. And it's not only about the money, it's a lot about the educational program that comes with a top trader course, 3 months a month, or is it Forex trading, but there's just so much. And all we're trying to do is get you in the door for free. For free. And that should be in the thing there, but I'm not paying attention to my trades right now. Give me a second. Catch up. Okay, what happened? These were all green before. All right, so let me see some of your questions and stuff. Ren Hamilton, I'm just looking for something on your Facebook that says you're in the military, and then I let you in. Usually, I don't make you go crazy. Um, and most people in the military have the Telegram app anyway, because they're used to being overseas. Well, it's not necessarily true, but so again, we're giving away free memberships to Breakout Trading, which also essentially is going to get you a free membership into Tradenet, which is also essentially going to get you um, the $14,000 account, which is also going to get you, which is eventually going to get you the 80, and so on and so forth. And there we go. So if you know anybody in the military, let them know about what we got going on. Because, I mean, I probably would not have it in me to turn somebody down, but I gotta kind of like stick to the rules, bruh. Let me see. Okay. Um, Let me read some videos here. Got it. Can pre-market challenge. Can't trade on challenge. You can't trade pre-market trade net period. I'm long TVIX too, and I think it's a mistake. Because what's going on right now? Yeah, but the TOS PPs, pivot points, are horrible. Hmm. Market's really weird today. Look at UVXY continuing this like up and down uptrend, and TVIX is doing the same thing, I am assuming, even though the market is generally going up fairly strong. Gold is rallying. Got a quick question if anybody's listening. In the back of the studio, right? There's a canal, right? Obviously, it goes out to the Great South Bay, and last night I was just like, "Yo, screw it," and I jumped in the canal. Right? Obviously, I took my shirt off and whatever, and I got, oh yeah, and I got like I had like some basketball shorts on that I grabbed real quick, and I just wanted to swim in the canal. What the heck is wrong with that? But I just moved here recently. You know, there's nothing upstairs yet. The studio's 2 stories, and there's nothing upstairs. That's why I was thinking of doing a class here at the studio. Like you could come here, and literally trade along with us, and maybe have like a smart board back here. But taking a step back, me jumping in the canal, is that rude to the neighbors? Like, and I know that by the way, yeah, this is the studio, but this is technically the guest house of a much larger house next door, which within that much larger house, I'm renting out an apartment with a laundry room, with a bathroom, with a kitchen, all that. It's like a little apartment. So I don't live in here. I live over there. It's weird, but I do come in here a lot, even when I'm not working, because it's like the quick outlet to whatever. Long story short, it's not rude to go jump in the canal, swim around in the canal, is it? Food for thought. I mean, just want to know what you guys think. Okay, what's going on here? It's unbelievable. The market's going up, but the VIX is continuing to go up, and it's see this. This is why does that happen? We've seen this happen before, and I think the end result is not good. Wow. Jim Beam Warehouse got you guys got to see this. I could pull it up right here. Ah, hang on. Yeah, I'm watching Tesla too, lady. I know. It's
Hit a detention center for migrants in a suburb of Tripoli. 40 people and wounding 80 more. The UN supports rival Libyan National Army for the airstrike. The media was allowed into Hong Kong's Legislative Council building today to see the damage done by protesters who ransacked the building on Monday. During the violence, protesters sprayed slogans in the main chamber. They tore down portraits of
they were
legislative
playing
leaders
tic-tac-toe, it
and they
looks like.
damaged an elevator. Here at home, firefighters in Kentucky are trying to extinguish a burning Jim Beam warehouse filled with about 45,000 barrels of bourbon. Officials say that fire might have been caused by a lightning strike.
That is
Luckily, no injuries have been
crazy.
reported.
I find that
Lots of
crazy.
fuel left to burn. That is the news update this hour. Morgan, I'll send it back downtown to you.
Wow, that video. Sue Herrera, thank you. As we head to a quick break, getting a check on shares of Tesla. They're up about 6% right now. The company reporting record delivery and production numbers. And a quick programming note. She is the new nominee for the Federal Reserve Board. Do not miss Rick Santelli's interview.
Come on, market, do something. Do something. Because you're killing me. Actually, $50 ain't too bad. But I want to turn the day around. Because that's liquid. But this is all liquid too. Because the month's over, so you got between the 1st and the 10th to take your withdrawal. That's how you get your money out. So you got between the 1st and the 10th to take your withdrawal. So it's the 4th, it'll be the 5th, and that'll be Friday. 6th, 7th. So I think I'll take it out on today or Friday. Let's see how much I can make today, though. Come on. That's not good. I'm not gonna take the risk here. Position. Sell. Sell, 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 sell. It's a big drop right there. Oh boy. All right. Here comes a very important number. 98. Are we gonna break 98? What are we even at? SPY. We're only a few cents away. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna break it or fake it. I'm waiting to see if this breaks 99. If the SPY goes into 298. Okay, we hit 298. 298.01. Hear what this guy's saying. All right, it looks like the market's gonna pull back now, so I'm gonna do a couple things here real quick. What? Crap did I just do? Woo! Market's pulling back, taking some precautions here. So we got a lot of stuff here. And it looks worse than it is. But it's only one minor shift could totally flip everything around. So if you take a closer look, I do have a spread going on here. And which is the most recent one I bought? $24. I have two 24s. 24.19.5. So this expires Friday. So this is the one that needs to be sold today, no matter what. We're not going to wait till Friday. Or is it Monday? No, Friday. What am I saying? So essentially, I'm going to augment this into a way where it works into my favor, because this one right here, I'm actually short. The one right here, I'm actually short on it. So if I decide to hold overnight, my theta, you'll notice, well, is positive, not negative. So it lowers my theta exposure. But this one I will also be getting rid of tonight as well. Even though I could technically hold it because I have no theta protection on there. Because it's going to go down automatically. Yeah. Yeah, check it out. So as you can see here, I have two options, right? But my theta overall is only $1.62. That's all I'll lose overnight because I have this short in here. And beautifully, just as I wanted, this one is going up and this one is going up. And so these are the two that I'm going to sell. I'm going to hold this one, the one that I am short, or I might sell that one. If the market's like pulling back really hard right now, I'll sell that one right now. But if it's only a mild pullback, which I'm forgetting, it's only 10:51, so we have a lot of time left in the day. So everything I do here has to be done perfectly. This has to be sold at the right time. This has to be sold at the right time. This has to be sold. Everything has to be augmented perfectly. What time does the market close today? 1. Cortana. Hey, Cortana. What time does the stock market close today? I didn't say what size. Hey, look at this. Look at this girl that just texted me, "Hey babe," out of nowhere. This has gotta be real. I totally gotta click it, right? Does anybody still fall for that? Ooh, live chat with Lucka right now. Sorry. Sorry. How do I get out of this now? Oh, Tesla. Upside down, head and shoulders. TVIX, I'm gonna hold you. Tesla though, TSLA. Oh, actually, it could reverse. Reverse. Upside down cup and handle. Let's try it. Let's go market. I hate going market with Tesla because the freaking spread is ridiculous. All right, I'm short on Tesla right now. I think that it's going to continue to go down. Yeah. And TVIX, I want to go a little long on that because of the way the market looks. All right, so the market's pulling back now a lot. That's good. All right, so this is positive. This is still negative. No, Tesla's not surging. Don't say that. All right, so it's going to go up. I see the line there, short. There we go, Tesla. Keep going down, keep going. I knew you would go down. Took my partial. But as I'm doing this, I'm getting killed on this. This is a descending triangle here. So you're going to see right here Tesla pop up. So I'm actually going to go long Tesla market. I should only go long 100 because I went short 200. So oh, they just happen to be talking about Tesla on the news. That always bumps the stock. All right, it looks like it's time to clear out. I'm going to TVIX. That's a head and shoulders. That's a very bearish formation. I'm going to sell it. I'm also going to leave it alone for now. And then this Neo short looks like it wants to break out again. This is actually something I would go long in. I would put my entry point. See the high here at 329. Put an entry point at 331. So limit market sell. Buy to cover. And I think the best thing to do, TSLA, last shot, make some money. Make sure I didn't go over my tickets. Oh, I barely went over my tickets. I did 6 tickets. I'm going to go long on Tesla. Market buy. How many Tesla shares can I get? 75 buy. 50 buy. Why am I talking in a southern accent? 40 buy. That was so stupid. 30 buy. Oh my god. I can't even get 30 shares of this stuff. This is a descending triangle. This is going to break out to the upside very hard. So much so that I'm going to TVIX over here. And I'm going to... that's fine. I could leave that. $250 shares of Tesla. I'm in it heavy. I know my formations. This is a descending triangle slash double bottom. This thing is going to rocket, rocket, rocket right now. Here we go. Tesla, Tesla. Everybody long Tesla. If it goes above 208, there you go. Goes above 238. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I don't like stocks that lose me money, so position sell. Market sell, and TSLA. All right, all right. Let's go ahead, position myself. Let's try to get another 100 shares at limit price, limit price of 280. Okay, 75, 50. All right. All right, all right, all right. I'm in pretty heavy over there on that Tesla. Oh, guys, this is totally going to reverse. All right, let me put this in the text alerts. I'm like losing my mind over here. Sorry. All right. I'm text alerting that out right now. I'll use the stock bot for exact exit and entries. Okay. God dang it. I can't get it. Okay. I want you to get in at 238 or better. 238 limit. What the heck? Limit. Stop loss. What's the low on the day there? 237. Beautiful. That's perfect. This is a nice play right here, a midday play, because it will play out. Worst that happens is you lose $1. Your target. Okay, what did it hit today? The highs were 241.57. I don't know if it'll do that. I don't know if it'll go that high. Yeah, I think it will. 241. Sorry. Uh-oh. I got tricked. Crap. All right. Yeah, pop back up. Oh boy. Did I blow the challenge here? Position, sell. Buy to cover. Okay, buy to cover. So annoying. This freaking thing. They should have market first because they know limit doesn't work. All right, 35, 37. Okay, it's under 100, so I didn't fail the challenge. But I'm done. I'm just done with this. I'm like annoyed. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. All right, guys. I'm out.